Guys, your tools are your money makers. Take care of them and they're gonna take care of your business. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to maintain your gear so that it lasts longer, works better, and saves you money. Let's get into it. A dirty or worn out squeegee blade is the fastest way to leave streaks and make your job even harder. So after every job, you wanna take a clean microfiber towel and wipe down the rubber blade to remove off any dirt, buildup, or soap or hair or anything that's under there. You wanna take care of your squeegee. A quick tip also for you guys to check wear. You can run your finger along the rubber edge, and if you feel any nicks or rough spots, it's time to flip it or even replace it. Storage tip, keep your squeegee flat or hung up. Don't just toss it into the bucket where the blade can get bent or like damaged up or anything like that. Just try to hang it or be gentle with your squeegee. If you guys are using the water-fed pole setup, keep it as clean as possible. It's a must. Dirty poles and clogged filters can mess up your water flow and leave spots on windows, and you don't want that, especially if it's high up and you can't see. Ugh, that's the worst. 3 things you guys can do to make sure that your water-fed pole is working properly all the time. At the end of each job, you can flush the pole with clean water at the end of the day to remove any buildup. You can also check the brush nozzles. If the water flow is weak, you can use a needle or compressed air to unclog them. And for your filter maintenance, if you're using the filtration system, always want to monitor your TDS meter. And when your reading goes above like 10 to 20 ppm, it's time to replace the filters. A dirty scrub pad or brush head's just gonna spread the dirt instead of cleaning, so at the end of the day, make sure you rinse them off completely, and if they're looking a little grimy, you could just wash them off with some mild detergent. Also, pro tip guys, don't leave them sitting in the bucket like wet overnight or anything, or your rags either, because it's gonna cause mildew and that shit stinks. Guys, spending just 5 minutes after each job on your tool maintenance is gonna save you hundreds of dollars in the long run in replacements, and it's gonna keep your gear working at peak performance. Plus, it's gonna make you look really good because your shit's gonna look good, you're gonna look good, your work is gonna look good. It's just an all-around really good image. So every day, guys, just take those few minutes to clean and check your tools. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in your efficiency and results, especially over time. So just keeping your gear in top shape makes your business run smoother. See you in the next lesson.